Hey, PoiGPSClub has a fantastic feature which allows you to browse project data. So in order to do this, all what you have to do is to click on the project data button here, and then you have access to a table with different columns. So the first one is the item number. So the second one is who added the item, when the item was added, latitude, longitude, elevation, how many items, which item, a comment if any, picture if any, whether the item was collected, and then who collected the item and when the item was collected. Also, you can very precisely select the data you want. So for instance, here you select the columns. So let's say I want only the latitude and longitude. I want only which item and yeah, who added the item. So as you can see now, you have the added by, latitude, longitude, and item only. So you can select the who here added the item. So for instance, we want only items added by Captain Future here. So you unselect all and just select Captain Future, and you refine, and then you have only items added by him. And also you can select which item. So let's say you just select big kingfishers, you refine, and here you go. So here I have only 4 columns, items only added by Captain Future, and only big kingfishers here in this case. So okay, so now you have this data, so it will be very useful later to generate a map from it, but also what you can do is with the export button here, you can export this as a CSV, which is a universal format that you can read with Excel, and you can also export it as a KML that you can use with Google Earth. Also here you have a coordinates button. If you click on it, you have the latitude and longitude of all the selected items, and you can copy it, and then you can use those coordinates with the third-party solutions.